In my previous video, I showed you how to mirror an Android phone to a PC using scrcpy and a USB cable. A guy asked if it was possible to do the same thing over Wi-Fi without keeping the USB cable connected. Yes, it is. In this video, I'll show you how to set up wireless scrcpy step by step. First, make sure your Android phone and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You also need USB debugging enabled on your phone. If you haven't enabled it yet, check my previous scrcpy tutorial where I show you how to do that. For the initial setup, connect your phone to the PC using a USB cable. Open the scrcpy folder and open a terminal in that folder. Now, we need to find your phone's IP address. On your phone, open Wi-Fi settings and check the network details. Look for the IP address of your phone. In the terminal, first run ADB devices. Make sure your phone appears in the list. Now run ADBTCPIP 5555. This tells ADB to listen for connections over Wi-Fi. You can now disconnect the USB cable. Now run ADB connect phone underscore IP colon 5555 replace phone underscore IP with the IP address of your phone. If everything is working, you should see a message saying that the device is connected. Finally, run scrcpy, and that's it. Your Android screen should now appear on your PC without the USB cable. So that's how you can use scrcpy wirelessly over Wi-Fi. Remember, your phone and PC generally need to be on the same network, and the initial setup is easiest with USB. If you want more short developer tutorials and practical setup guides, subscribe to Code with Lofi. And thanks to the guy who requested this tutorial. Keep the suggestions coming.